morning, children. Okay. Sorry. Okay, children. Now we'll start the new chapter, that is useful animals. In the previous class, we have learned about the adaptation of animals according to their food habits, shelters, and also the environment. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the useful animals, which are very useful to the animals. Okay, this is the 4th standard and the 7th session for 4th standard. Okay, this is also the science subject. I forgot to say that one. In the picture they have given here. In the picture they have given earring. In the box they have given some of the picture. Take the things that we get from the animals. In this we have to take that has been came from the animals. Fruits and vegetables. Is they came from the animals? No, we can get all this from the plants itself. So it is not. Wool. Okay, wool will get wool from the animal, that is sheep. So we have to take that box. And next is tea. Okay, tea or coffee. We will get both from the plants itself, not from the animals. So not that one. Next, this is honey. Honey we will get from the honeybees. No, this is also animal. So these two, which one? Wool and the honeybee. Honey. So we will get from the plants itself. Like plants, animals are also useful for us in many ways. Or like how the plants are useful to us, in the same way animals also very useful to the human being. Let us see how animals are useful to us. Now we will learn how the animals are useful to the human beings. Food. We get food items like meat, milk, meat and eggs from animals. Cows, goat and buffalo gives us milk. These animals are reared in the farms for milk. This is called dairy farming. Milk is rich in protein. It is used in preparation of cheese, butter, curd and sweets. Okay, first we get food items like milk, meat and eggs from the animals. Okay, they have all of them will have milk in the morning. Okay, and eggs and meat. Okay, these all three things will get from the animals itself. Which animal we will get milk? From which animal will get milk? That is cows, goats, buffaloes gives us milk. Okay, these three animals will give us milk. Along with this, some of the animals like sheep also will get the milk. Okay, children, like cow, goats and buffaloes gives us milk. Along with this, now we are using the milk of the sheep and the camel also. Okay. This is called what? Dairy farming. Cow, goats and buffaloes gives us milk. These animals are reared in the farms for milk. Okay, these animals are kept in the farm and they are being farmed for their milk purpose. This is called what? Dairy farming. Milk is rich in proteins. It is used in preparation of cheese, butter, curd and sweets also. Okay, milk is rich in the protein and from the milk only we produce the cheese, butter, curd and also some sweets. Okay, next birds. Birds provides us meat and eggs. Rearing of birds like hens, ducks, turkeys and geese are for meat and eggs is called poultry farming. We are rearing some of the birds like hens, turkeys and ducks. You can see in the picture this hen and hen of course we have seen commonly everywhere, and this is a picture of a turkey plant and turkey bird, and it is the duck or geese. This has been reared in the farms. They are called what? Poultry farming. This why they are farmed birds means for their eggs and their meat. Okay, for their eggs and meat purpose they farm animals. Some other animals like goats and fish also gives us meat. The production and management of fish is called what? Pisciculture. Pisciculture. Okay, the farming of animals like cow, buffaloes, all this for the milk purpose they are called what? Dairy farming. And farming the birds, this hen, turkey and ducks, they are called what? poultry farming, and also the rearing of fish for their meat purpose. Some other animals like goats and fish also gives us meat. The production and management of the fish is called what? Pisciculture. Pisciculture. Okay, the farming of the fishes are called what? Pisciculture. Honeybee provides us honey, which is good source of nutrients. Okay, honeybees provides us honey, which is a very good source of nutrients. Rearing of honeybees for commercial production of honey is called what? Apiculture. Okay, now the honeybees also reared. Okay, for the commercial production means by artificial production is called what? Apiculture. This is about the animals which gives us the meat, eggs and milk. Now is fibers. Which are the other, rather than this, which are the animals are useful to us? We get fibers like wool and silk from some animals. Animals like sheep, goat and yaks gives us wool. The process of removing hair from these animals is called what? Shaving. The removed hair is then processed to get wool. We use wool for making woolen cloths. We get some of the fabrics like wool and silk from the animals itself. We'll get the wool from the hairs of the goat, yaks and sheep, and also nowadays they are using the rabbit wools also for making the fabrics. The process of removing the hair from the animal. Okay, they will remove the hair from the animals. That hair has been cleaned and they will convert into a fabric like wool. The process of removing hair is called what? Shearing. You can see here, this is the sheep wool, this is the rabbit, and this is the yak, which gives us the wool. Fur. Here some animals like rabbits, foxes and squirrels also used to make various woolen cloths. Nowadays they are using the hairs of a rabbit, squirrels, foxes also has been used to make various woolen cloths. Silk is obtained from silkworms. From where the silk is obtained? It is obtained from the silkworms. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called what? Sericulture. Okay, farming of the silkworm is called what? Sericulture. Keep in mind that rearing of cows and other animals for their milk is a dairy farming. Rearing of the birds like hen, turkeys and duck for their egg and meat purpose, that is called what? Poultry farming. And rearing of fish for their meat purpose, that is called what? Pisciculture. And rearing of the honeybees for their honey is called what? Apiculture. Now they are rearing the silkworms for their silk fabrics is called what? Sericulture. Silkworms lives on a mulberry plant and feeds on its leaves. Okay, where silkworms will lives on the mulberry plant and also they live on the leaves. During its life cycle, silkworm spins a silk thread on a shell around itself. During the life cycle, silkworm will spin the thread around itself. For cocoon, we obtain silk from these cocoons itself. Okay, we obtain that silk from the cocoons of a silkworm. Here they have given this life cycle of a butterfly and the what is this? Silkworm. Okay, butterfly adult silk moth eggs will be laid on the leaves of a plant. The eggs will be formed into a larva, that is called what? Small silkworm structures, and they are called what? Pupa. And the pupa will be okay, this is not butterfly, this is the adult silkworm. It lays eggs on the leaves. The eggs of the leaves will be turned as a caterpillar structure called what? Larva, and it has formed into the pupa. You have seen this life cycle in butterfly. In the same way the silkworm will begin, and the pupa is converted into silkworm because it spins a thread around its cocoon, and after that they will boil the cocoons in hot water process of obtaining silk. They will boil this cocoon in the boiled water, and after that it has been weaved as a cloth. Okay, this is the life cycle of the silkworm. Down they have given multiple choice question here. Cows and buffaloes are reared for the production of dash. Why they will rear cows and buffaloes? Milk, meat and honey. Okay, they will rear the cows and buffaloes for the milk itself. Answer is milk. Honey is obtained from dash. Honeybees, caterpillars, grasshoppers. Honey is obtained from the honeybee itself. Other valuable products which we get from the animals are the skin of some animals like snakes, crocodile, tigers, camels and sheep is used in making of leather. The leather is used to make bags, shoes, jackets, belts, etc. The skin of some of the animals like snakes, crocodiles, camels and sheep are used to make the bags, belts, shoes, jackets. Okay. Ivory is obtained from the elephant tusk. It is used for making decorating items. Ivory, the tusks of elephants, white color, pink-like structure you can see on the elephant. No, they are the tusks. Okay, that is that ivory will obtain from that tusk itself. It can be used for the making the decorating items. The large number of elephants are killed to obtain this valuable products now. Horns of some animals are also used to make various decorative articles. Okay, horns means in Kannada they will say kombugulu. Okay, you can see the horses. Okay, and some of the deers also stacks. They also have their horns. That horns are used to make a decorative article. Lac is obtained from lac insects. Is used in making the cosmetics and dyes. Okay, lac is a lac. Insects will give the lac. It is used to make the cosmetics and dyes. Animal dung is used in garbage gas, gobar gas. Okay, animal dung that like cows or buffaloes, their dung is used for producing the gobar gas. For preparing dung cakes and as a feed manure, they will use the dungs to put in as a natural fertilizers in the natural manures to the agricultural land. Other uses of animals. What are the other uses? Horses, camel, elephants, bulls and donkeys are used to carry loads and also for transport. Camels load, they also load they will transport the goods from one place to another place. Horses, camel, elephants, bulls and donkeys are used to carry the loads and also for transport. Oxen and bullocks are used for ploughing and in other agricultural activities. Oxen means you have seen oxen. What else? Carts. Okay, they will use the oxen and also the bullocks for the carts and also for the ploughing in the agricultural field and other agricultural activities. And pet animals. Some animals like dogs, cats and rabbits are kept at our homes as pet. Dog guards our homes and keep the thieves away. Okay, we will keep some of the animals as a pets in our homes and they will keep safeguard our house. The dogs guard our homes and keep the thieves away. Okay, this completes your 6th chapter for 4th standard. Okay, children. What is a sericulture? Oral questions they have given here. What is a sericulture? The forming of a silkworm is called what? Sericulture. What is poultry farming? The rearing of a birds like hen, turkey and geese for the eggs and meat is called what? Poultry farming. Science quiz they have given here. Name 3 animals which carry loads. I said no, some of the animals will carry loads. Which are they? Horses, camels, elephants, donkeys. Name 2 animals that gives us milk. Okay, which animals will gives us milk? That is cow, buffaloes. Okay, goats also gives us milk. Rearing animals for milk is called dash. Rearing animals for milk is called what? Poultry farming, dairy farming or silk farming. Rearing of animals is called what? Poultry farming. The hair of sheep and goats are removed through what? Shearing, cleaning or rearing. The removing of the hairs from the animals is called what? Shearing. Hens and ducks are rare for. Why they rare? Hens and ducks meet eggs both A and B. Both A and B. They will rare these hens and ducks for both the eggs and also for the meat. Match the following. Column A, cows and goats, animal dung, elephant, yak. Column B, ivory, dairy farming, pool and gobar gas. Okay, cows and goats you have to match for the dairy farming, animal dung for the gobar gas, elephant for the ivory, and yak for the pool. Okay, fill in the blanks they have given here. Beside the questions only they have given option. Ivory is obtained from dash. Elephants or lion. It is obtained from the elephants itself. Sheep and ass gives us dash. Wool or cotton. From sheep and wool you get the wool, not cotton. Rearing of silkworms for silk is called sericulture, apiculture. Rearing of silkworm is called what? Sericulture. Animal dash is used in the gobar gas production. Animals what? Hair or dung? Animals dung is used for preparing the gobar gas. Right, true or false? Bullocks and oxen are used to plow the field. Bullocks and oxen are used to plow the field. Is it right? True or false? True. Birds are reared for leather. No. Okay, birds are reared for their meat and the eggs. So it is false. Animals like dogs and cats are kept at home as pets. True. Honey is good source of nutrients. It is also true. Only the birds are reared for leather is wrong, false, remaining or true. This completes the session 7 for the 4th standard. In the next class we are going for the next chapter. Thank you, children.